Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today I like us to unbox this R16 tripod, or you can call it a selfie stick, as you can see. So it looks like this. As you can see, this is the box and it looks like this. So it has a grip handle, as you can see. Then it has a remote and it is also a tripod. So it comes in 3 different colors. It depends on which color you want, so you'll forgive me, I did a very bad job on the colors which it comes with. So you can see when I was unwrapping it from a courier bag, but as you can see it comes with black, white and pink. So if you like those colors, which one you like, you can go ahead and buy it. So let us unbox and see what is inside the box. So just lift this one like this. Wow, as you can see guys, this is the selfie stick or tripod. Let us set that one aside. Then we have our manual. As you can see, use a manual. It is very nice guys, as you can see. You can refer this one if you are stuck. It is in English and Chinese. And then let us set one that side. Then let's see our selfie stick, or you can call a tripod. So wow, it's very nice guys, as you can see. Very nice, you can see. So I bought the shortest version. We have different version length which you can buy, but this one is the shortest. So don't ask question when you see it when I extend it, but remember there are different lengths which you can buy. So to start with, we have where you place your phone here. So you can see like this. You just open this like this, then you can extend like this. It accommodates different phones sizes, so it's very nice. Then if you open like this, when you are placing on the where you are placing, maybe it's on the ground or table, when you open this one like this, it can rotate. As you can see, you can rotate. And if you don't want to rotate, when you put it back like this, it won't go anywhere, it locks. So this mechanism, as you can see, this as you can see, these blinds locks with this one. So when you put it like this, it locks and it will not go anywhere. So then we have a remote here, as you can see, just a simple remote. This one you just pair with your phone when you are using. So you can see, you just pair with your phone, you just pair with your phone for taking selfies when you are recording. So you just pair with your phone, and each time, or maybe when you are taking selfies, you just press this one, because you pair it with Bluetooth and it will take some pictures. So to open it, you just open this leg like this, and then you just as you can see now, it looks like this. Very good. This is useful for tables when you are recording something, when you are on you are placing this one on the table, because it's very short. But as I said before, you can buy the other length, but this one is very good for table selfies or maybe vlogging. And also I bought this this tripod mainly because of it supports GoPros. So you can see, you just unscrew this one, the phone part. As you can see, you can remove this one, as you can see. Then after removing, as you can see, we are left with a grip for GoPros. As you can see now, you can attach your GoPro here. Any GoPro will do. So if you have a GoPro and you need a selfie stick, or maybe a phone stand, a tripod, this one is very good for you. You can use this one, but it you will buy which the length which serves your need. But this one, I just like it. It's very compact, it's very nice. You can use it, you know, that's kind of stuff. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you on my next one.